I'm just a regular guy. You know, I am. I'm just a regular guy. Anything that was an opportunity in our area, I tried to, you know, get as an account. And Great Woods was being constructed at the time. Knocked on the office trailer. They hired us right away after a month in business. My name's Andy Felix, and I'm president of Tree Tech. I still love to, you know, meet with people, and I love talking about their trees, and I love educating them, helping them solve their problems with their landscape. We really try everything we can to save a tree before we remove it. And if something doesn't need to be done, we tell people it doesn't need to be done. One of the best relationships I have is with Boston University, Northeastern. We have Brandeis, and then Babson, Wellesley College, Wheaton, Brown, and PC. And Boston College, we're really proud to serve all of these properties. You know, there was many times when we considered throwing in the towel, and every time you turned around, there was another obstacle. But I just, you know, thought that, you know, it's just another obstacle, we'll get through it. And sure enough, I mean, we were able to persevere. What does it take? It takes a full 100% commitment, a lot of discipline, and the ability to take a punch and get back up. I'm pretty fortunate in that I don't really have a lot of, you know, blatant regrets. I wish that, you know, maybe I charged a little bit more money and had a little bit more money. I decided that it really couldn't be about money. That if we did things right and we were honest, that the money would come. Somehow I was right.